Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shari, also known as Luxury on Instagram. And if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm so glad to have you. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are true here, thank you, girl, for coming back. I really appreciate you. I'm so glad that you're here once again, and hopefully you're enjoying the content. So today we have a really quick and cute unboxing. I actually went to the outlet mall of Atlanta here in Atlanta. It's actually not located in Atlanta, Georgia. It's actually located in Woodstock, Georgia. So if you're ever looking for a designer outlet or just an outlet for all the different brands, Nike, Adidas, Kate Spade, Coach, Michael Kors, and the list goes on, Steve Madden, all of the things, they're all in the outlet, also known as the outlet shops of Atlanta. Okay, so let's get on into what is going to be unboxed today. And I don't want this video to come off as braggadocious or me bragging or anything like that. I just simply love sharing when I find a good deal. Like if I find a really, really good deal on a purse or on jewelry or on anything really that's considered luxury or beauty, lifestyle, travel, fashion, anything like that. I love to share it with you guys, especially if I found a good deal so that you could probably jump on it as well. And speaking of good deal, Kate Spade is having a really great sale. Their clearance is an additional 70 to 75% off. And then the whole store in the outlet mall is actually an additional like 50, 60, 70% off. So you guys, it's worth taking advantage of. Kate Spade purses typically are in the same price range as Michael Kors and Coach, up in the $300 or $400 range. So the deal that I found on this purse today, I just had to share because it was actually under $100. So without all of the rambling, let me go ahead and get right on into it. I just wanted to let you guys know why I'm showing you this bag and why I chose to get this bag on today. So here she is. This is the Kate Spade bag that I actually picked up on today. Once you take out the tissue paper, they did do quite a bit of tissue paper. Once you take out all of the tissue paper, there's the bag. So I'm just gonna put this bag over here. And this is the bag I chose. Isn't she so cute? And she's actually not a small bag. Like she's a small bag, but she's not tiny. Like I can't fit anything in it. This is actually like a decoration piece on it. This gold chain that hangs. And I love Kate Spade because their hardware isn't just strictly gold or silver. It's almost like that champagne gold color, to where if I wanted to wear this with silver, I could and it would still be cute. But it's picking up gold as well, as you can see. So it did come with, well, first let me show you the outside. It does have an outside pocket. Any purse that comes with an outside pocket, I instantly fall in love with. As you can see, it has the spades on the inside of that pocket there. Perfect for my phones. I could probably actually fit both of my phones in there. And then, like I said, this is I could wear this as a chain, like wear it on my shoulder as the chain like that, but this is more so for decorations or top handle. There's another strap on the inside of the bag. So it is a magnet closure here. It looks blue because it still has the sticker on it. So you can see this. Let me take it off. So it does come with a protective sticker. And the magnet is so good and strong. On the inside, you have the Spade print as well. That's their logo, the spades, because again, the name of the company is Kate Spade, so these spades on the inside. And you can see that the strap comes on the inside of the bag as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I love these like flip over magnet bags. I have a slight obsession with these now. Anything that flips over and closes, I actually love. And look, the bag is actually pretty big. It's bigger than my head. It's actually a really nice size bag. I can fit a full-size wallet in here. Like I said, both of my phones. This is the strap that it comes with. So this is how that looks. It does have the adjustable holes there, like a belt. And then it does have this piece here to hold the strap down. So it just holds that strap in place to keep it from flapping everywhere and flopping around. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to the bag. I just love how Kate Spade, their details. I love how it doesn't just say Kate Spade, it has a little logo there as well, and it also says New York. And then the claw, the lobster claw that the strap is attached to also says Kate Spade as well. So very luxurious experience, very, very luxurious experience. This bag is just absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I would definitely wear this bag with like something like this, just a white sweater as my pop of color. I would also wear it with something that has little hints of hot pink in it to bring the color out. I would wear this with black. I would wear it with light pink. I would wear it with gray. Anything where this could be the pop of color, I would definitely throw this bag on. And I feel like I got it in a good time. I got it in February, so I feel like I could wear it pretty much from now until probably September. I could get away with it until like right when the summer ends in August. I could probably keep wearing this bag because it's pink. I wouldn't really wear it in the wintertime. I don't have any bag this color, so I'm so excited about this color. This is my very first pop of color bag in my collection. All of my bags are either black, brown, white, cream, a super light nude pink color, or yeah, pretty much. I have one other pop of color bag, which is like a dark yellow color I got from Steve Madden, but honestly I don't really wear that one that much unless it's just something that requires a yellow bag. I'm a pink girl, like I'm really a pink girl. So if anything, this is gonna be a perfect pop of color bag for me. I feel like it really speaks to my personality. The gold chain, which I love gold, the color, I love pink, and the crossbody. I feel like the crossbody makes it very cute and casual for like vacation or a cruise or something, which I don't know if we'll be doing cruises anytime soon, but for vacation and things like that, it's very durable. If you look up close, it has that texture. It's not like a smooth leather, it's that textured leather. So I feel like it's gonna be very durable. And the hardware, the leather, the weight, like it just is a very heavy, sturdy bag. So for it to be so cute and for it to be so sturdy, I feel like it was definitely worth the money. I actually paid about $85 and some change for this bag. So that's all I paid. It was regular price $200, well no, it was sale price $269.99. So basically $270, and then the price on the actual tag underneath of that says $279. So this bag was regular price $279 USD and $359 CAD, Canadian dollars. So I feel like the price that I paid for it was very reasonable, $85. That is an amazing price to me. So I love her. I can't wait to wear her on different trips. This isn't gonna really be a work bag because it's like my black bags are really good work bags, but pink bags are perfect for date night, brunch, vacation, and like shopping days basically. And I'm glad I got this color because as you see, their tag is like this hot pink tag, and that's really their color, like their brand color is hot pink, just like the luxury collection, which is my brand. The brand color is hot pink. So I thought that this was very on brand for me. And when I saw it and I saw it was on sale, I was like, what better bag to get from Kate Spade than a pink bag? Like, it's Kate Spade, that's okay. So that's pretty much it about the bag. I still have it on. I'm gonna wear it the rest of the video because I love it so much. So let's go on and look at a couple other things that I picked up today while I was at the outlet mall. I stopped by the cosmetics company store because they always have really good deals in there. And I picked up 2 MAC lipsticks. I almost got more stuff, but I got lipstick in my white sweater, so that kind of blew my mood. I was ready to come home. But anyway, I picked up this color in the MAC matte lipstick collection. This is the color Derriere. And I love this. This is actually like a really pretty brown color. It's a beautiful brown color. I could use this as my lip liner and just put gloss on, or if I just want to do a really sexy dark lip, like a dark, almost like my skin tone, but a little bit darker lip with some gloss on top, that would be beautiful as well. Just a chocolate glossy lip, that would be so pretty. And then I also picked up one other lipstick. Well, let me take this bag off because it doesn't really go with my vibe. So the bag is off. And then I also got this lipstick as well. This is also from MAC, the Powder Kiss lipstick. I don't really know the difference between Powder Kiss lipstick and the MAC, but I just thought the color was absolutely gorgeous. This is in the color Devoted to Chili. And just look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my God, this is so pretty. And I would have never thought I would be into lipstick colors like this, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's not red, because you can see my nail is red. It's not red. It's this beautiful, like orangey color. And it's gonna be so pretty for the summer. So pretty, oh my God. So these are the two lipsticks that I picked up, like an orangey color and a brown. I think both of them are gonna be so pretty for summer. What I picked up from Saks Off 5th was this cute little, I think it's an ashtray, but I guess you could use it as anything, a little dessert plate, a little jewelry plate. That's actually what I was doing just now. This necklace that I just picked up from Loft, so pretty. I got this today from the Loft outlet. I think this is so gorgeous and luxury looking. There's this company called Majuri. This looks like a necklace from that company. So beautiful and elegant. So you can easily use this as like a little jewelry tray. But I love that it says Saks Fifth Avenue with the stripes. I think that's so cute. It was on sale for $4.97. So this was $5 and I had to get it. I can't remember how much the necklace was, but it is so stunning and beautiful and expensive looking. So that's pretty much all I picked up from the outlet today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. I really enjoyed making this video because I love the items I picked up on today. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just comment down below. Hit the like button before you go. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me once again. And if you're true here, thanks for coming back. I hope to see you in the next video as well. And that's it, y'all. Make sure you are subscribed, honey. Subscribe. You have to subscribe. Don't just click and watch. Please subscribe. It means so much to me. Mwah. Bye.
Spider, text. Yeah, 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 yeah. First I want for the show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Millis, but I had switched the motor. I got a badass bitch running around this bitch, they all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, I told her style my knit.